Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see a conditional expression in this video. Uh, and for that, mainly we are going to deal with if-else structure. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start a file with the name, let's just call it if-else. Okay, so file is there. Now we will start our object definition. Object is okay. Now we define our main. Well, now we're going to have a content in our main, for our main method, and within that, somewhere we're going to have if-else structure. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's get a number from the keyboard, and then if the number is, let's say, less than certain uh, fixed value, then we'll print one particular message, and if the number is greater than that value, we'll print another message. So basically that's a very natural fit for if else structure. If number is greater than or less than certain fixed value, and this message, else something else. So let's do that. Okay, print, or I'm going to just to print, not println, because I'm going to press enter anyway. Enter a number, and I will need to read that number. I'm going to read that in the val because I don't have a need to change the content, so I can go with the constant. Input number is equal to Scala USTD IN. Remember, I can either import this thing using import statement, or I can just qualify here within the statement. So both are same actually, or we could say both have same effect. Okay, so now I can just start my simple if structure. If input number is less than 5, okay, I'm going to print one message. Okay, now I don't have many statements, I have only one statement. If that's the case, then we don't need a curly brace. Okay, but if you have more than one, I need curly brace to tell compiler that okay, these are the statements that fall under if. Okay, so now I have only one, so I don't need a brace, curly brace, so I'm just going to write it. Print ln the number is smaller than 5. Okay, and I can have else. Within else also I have only one statement, so I don't need curly brace. So I can say number is okay. What can be the case? Well, if the number is less than 5, that will come to this particular statement and it will execute that, and it will actually come out of the else structure. We'll just come to next statement. We don't have any statement, so it will just terminate, or it'll return the control from the main to the to the operating system. If this condition is not satisfied, what can be the value of that input number? It could be greater, and it can also be equal, right? So I say greater than or equal to 5. That's it. Simple program. Okay, Scala C else into cat else. Okay, so it is if else the object name. That's what I'm going to run now. Enter number 5. 6 is greater than or equal to 5. 5 number is greater than that. That is still true. 3. Sorry, I was supposed to run it first. 3. Now you should see number is smaller than 5. Right? Okay. The program, everything is good. So this one basically completes our if else structure. So the next, well, let's stop here for this particular video, and we'll start another video for if, else if, else if, else structure.